Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Money Way. And today we're going to be talking about MGM Resorts, ticker symbol MGM. We're going to be talking about the earnings report that actually happened on July 30th and its effect on not only MGM and their stock price, but also on IAC, which is a very, kind of confusing, kind of eerie, weird stock that I'm going to be going over today. So remember, if you learn anything in this video, if you find it interesting, if you want to learn more about MGM Resorts, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. I also have a stock analysis where I go over the specific products, services, revenue streams that MGM Resorts has to offer. So if you want to learn more about the company itself, go ahead and check out the rest of my channel. I have actually 2 videos where I go over the specifics about how the company actually makes their money, through properties, licensing, all these different things. But anyways, MGM Resorts, the stock has been up and down. It went up recently, right about August 6th, with some new, news, but that's not exactly what we're talking about today. So on July 30th, we had the earnings report, and unfortunately, it wasn't looking too good. It reported a huge loss. Fortunately, though, it wasn't that big of a loss when you compare it to what was estimated. There was an estimated loss of $1.72 per share, but the actual loss was only $1.52 per share. Now, while this is still very bad for a company, this is not, confusing. This does not come as a surprise. I mean, if we look at how Corona has impacted companies like MGM Resorts, El Dorado, all these companies are not running to anywhere near their maximum capacity. There's only about maybe 1 to 2 people per table. There's like 1 person per 18 slot machines. It's not looking too good. And actually, the good part about it is that this company didn't have as bad as earnings reports as I thought it would. There's companies like AMC, which are like $5 per share, $6 per share. Horrible earnings reports that could potentially send the company into bankruptcy. But MGM, fortunately, has a very wide variety of different revenue streams, including nightclubs, which, those are closed down, but there's still restaurants, there's still entertainment, there's still, for the most part, some casinos are still running just nowhere near maximum or even normal capacity. There's only, with, 6 feet restrictions, there's only a certain amount of people that are allowed inside these casinos. It's easy to see that this company would have an earnings report as bad as this. But fortunately, we can look at the good side. I'm sure a lot of investors saw this too, that it wasn't as bad as we thought it would. So the company is actually receiving a new high similar to that of June 8th. When you compare it to how low, this company has been at certain points during the coronavirus. And before, actually, this still is a good stock to invest in. It's not like Caesars Entertainment, which that company has like 60 or I believe it was like 60 or maybe 63 different properties. They have a huge amount of services. They have sports, all these different things. But the MGM was also at a price of $34.54 before coronavirus, right around January 17, which is before, everything just kind of went downhill. The company, the stock price is still at $22.18 as of 11:21 a.m. on August 11th. So you can still get a pretty good discount, especially if you're in it for the long term, which I think as an investor, this would not be that bad of an opportunity. I mean, just the properties themselves are worth much higher than $22 per share. You guys can easily see that. They have a huge amount of properties, they have a huge amount of services, products, all these different, licensing, sports, all these different things that are going to send the company a lot higher, and that's what it has been doing in the past week. It's up 30% or about 30.5%, which is very good. And unfortunately, I actually sold out of the company right around here, I think it was, to invest into Caesars Entertainment. You know, it hasn't been that bad of an investment. It's actually been pretty good. But unfortunately, nowhere near what MGM Resorts did right about 2 days ago. It jumped up about $3.50 in just about a day or two over the weekend. That's really, really crazy. But anyways, guys, there's also a company or a stock called IAC, ticker symbol also IAC. And, let me know if you guys know anything about this company. This isn't what the main video is about, but this is an investing service. I mean, they take major shares, take major holdings on companies like Vimeo, MGM Resorts, they actually invested into for $1 billion. And tell me if this isn't just Robinhood tweaking, but I go to 3-month chart and it says they're at $102. I mean, did they have a reverse split? Because that's what something happens with these stocks. They freak out after having a reverse split on Robinhood. But it says that the price was about $320. And in about a day, I mean, it dropped like $220. It's basically unheard of. It's like unseen anywhere else in the stock market. Is this actually happening? I mean, can we go to the... Can we go... No. Shoot. 1 second, guys. So, wow. Okay, maybe it actually was true. But let me know if you guys want me to do a video on IAC talking about is this a good investment. But anyways, guys, if you learned anything today, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Also, let me know down in the comment section if you guys know anything about IAC. And also... what you guys think about MGM Resorts as a company and as a stock to invest in right now. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.